Right, this is the best part of any project. It's the finishing oil time. Now, I'm not a fan of polyurethane, whatever you want to call it. I'm not a fan of using plastic in my woodwork finishes. Every single application of anything that I've made since 2014, I've been using Odie's oil. So I've used it a long time. I've used it on building sites, I've used it in the workshop, I've used it cold weather, I've used it boiling hot weather, I've used it in dusty environments, I've used it in clean environments. And time again, it really does finish my work off. This is finished to 180 grit, only because it's going to have food on it. I mean, the smell of this stuff, I always say, is like lemon curd. It's absolutely fantastic. Give it a good mix. Always give it a good. I mean, this literally work it into the material. And as everyone knows, I've got a lung disease, so I can't use polyurethane, especially in this this heat we've got at the moment. Fantastic. It's nothing to do with me, it's to do with this stuff here. Odyssey's, Cornwall's, Mr. Cornwall's oil, Odie's oil, whatever you wish to call it. This is the sort of like universal finish and polish, and this really does bring out this spalted beech to another level.